Welcome to the in front of me REALME GT Neo 2, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first you should go to the settings and scroll down with your finger to the sounds and vibration section. Now as can you see, we got here the vibration settings. We just can turn off or turn on the vibration. We got here the sound mode, the silent, vibrate or ring. You can choose select one from this one, so we can here adjust the media, ringtone, notification and alarm volume. Here we can switch our volume button function to the ringtone one or to the media. When you just here press on the left side of your device to the volume buttons, you can for example adjust the media or ringtone volume, that this means. Also you can turn on or turn off the don't disturb mode. Here you can change the ringtone or notification sound. For example, just here tap on the sound and select one from available or from the your custom music on your device. Here also you get the more sounds and haptic section. Now here you will just turn on the switcher. When you'll just tap to the your dial pad, you will hear the tones, the sounds. Now we'll go back. Here we got the lock screen sound. When you just lock or you'll unlock your screen, you'll hear the sound, the screenshot sound. You can turn on off the touch sounds, and as can you hear, when you'll just launch the application, so when you'll just touch your screens, you will hear the your sounds and the vibration. When you touch, you just will feel the vibration when you'll touch your screen. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.